Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I think I'm gonna start calling us curl friends. I like that better than hey guys. It's real basic. But today I want to share with you guys how I got this hairstyle, crochet dread faux locks. You guys like them? It's banging. This is my first time trying dreadlocks. I've been wanting to try them for a very long time now. This is my second time doing crochets. If you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, keep watching. All right, starting off with my braids. I have about 22 on each side, so 44 braids all together. I will be using the Bobbi Boss BOMBA Faux Lock Sole in the color 1B. You will need a crochet needle, and the decorations are optional. I always like to start in the back of my head, so I'm taking the crochet needle and putting it through the top of the braid, taking the loop of the dreadlock, closing the latch, and pulling it through. Then you're going to open the loop and then take the dreadlock in your braid and pulling it through and give it a light tug to secure. Then you're going to wrap the hair around the braid like so. We're going to continue this method until your braid is completely covered. As you're wrapping, it does not have to be perfect. After all, dreads are messy, which gives it even more of a natural look. So the products that I used before braiding my hair is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner by Shea Moisture and the Mielle Organics Mint Almond Oil. Okay, so at this point I'm about 2.5 hours in. In total, from start to finish, from the braiding and the install, it took about 6 hours to do this hairstyle. I did make the top of the braids pretty loose because I know me and my scalp, and I cannot keep a style like this in for too long, so this is probably going to last me about 2 to 3 weeks. I make it loose and it's no need for it to be super tight. So more about this hair, I really do love the quality. It's super realistic and it gets even better over time. It's not shiny or that plastic looking type of hair. These locks will definitely be my go-to once I want to do this type of protective style again. On top of that, it is super duper affordable and you should be able to find it at any beauty supply store or online. I do want to add something that I noticed. The state that it comes in the original pack, the dreads are much smaller, and once you install the hair and wrap it around your hair, the dreads will get larger. So keep the unraveling in mind when you're judging the size of your braids. In my next video, I will be sharing with you all 20 different ways you can style your new locks. There are a ton of cute ideas, so make sure you go check that out on my channel. Whew, all right, we are done. Here is our finished product. I absolutely love how this style came out. I blow dried my hair. You just take the blow dryer and just kind of stretch it. Since it's synthetic, it'll stretch no problem, and I did want it a little bit longer than what the original state is. This look is super fun, and if you're interested in trying this out, please let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.